Today we're looking at part number TPU 023451. This is your right hand or passenger side 10,000 pound electric brake assembly. This brake assembly works with the Dexter axles, Lippert axles, and the Carter axles. It has the 7-hole brake flange backing plates on it. It has the long connection wires, magnet, self-adjuster on there, so you don't have to mess with it. And it has the 3 3/8 shoe on it, and it also comes standard with the backing plate ready to go. Makes it really easy to just change out your brakes. You just undo those 7 bolts, put this one in place, connect the 2 wires back, and you're good to go. You can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687.